So first of all, our farmers put lots of effort into growing corn crops because it's not easy to grow just anywhere. Not every land is suitable for growing popcorn crops, and usually too many hot areas destroy the crops, even though the snack comes from too much heat. It's usually harvested in late summer, but before they keep everything under control by applying too many quality methods and strategies to grow the healthy crop. Latest and brand new technologies have been invented to take care of the crops, and once they're ready, this beast machine is all set to take the matter into its own hands. Well, blades maybe. It is so efficient to harvest, collect the corn, and separate the cob from the kernels. Well, that's a lot for a single machine, but that's exactly why it is called advanced. All of the collected kernels are then loaded in the collectors along with sieves, which are then put to the storage. You know, these stored kernels are easily used for 3 to 4 years. The workers take some fixed portion of the kernels and load them into the main unit from where they will be passed through several sorting sections. This process helps them to get separated from each other and also to dust away the rotten, or bad kernels. That's why every time you open your popcorn snack pack, you get the buttery and richly flavored bites. The bad ones are not thrown but kept to sell them back for processing, and the quality ones are passed on to the further belts. One by one, every kernel reaches the popping section, but it's not the right time now. Butter is first melted and then added to the heating drums, where other ingredients are also put in to bring some flavor. After a few games of buttons, the heating pods start mixing the ingredients. When they think it's perfectly blended, they add a bunch of popcorn kernels and mix, mix, mix. Just wait, the magic can happen any second. So your favorite snack is popping. They're hot, fresh and delicious. Don't you think this machine looks like laughing and exploding the corn in the process? These rolling drums brush off excessive salt from the popcorn and cool them before reaching the further stages. Yup, like coatings. Our freshly popped corn takes center stage under the cool breeze of a specialized cooling zone. Here, it's not just about chilling out. It's about locking in that perfect crispness and preventing any kernels from getting too cozy with each other. You know what I mean? It's just another popcorn parade, each kernel flouncing its stuff while cool air dances around them. The cooling part is like a refreshing cool-down session, ensuring that every bite maintains its delightful crunch. Time for coating, so they are going to mix whatever is needed to create that silky and sugary caramel mixture for popcorn coatings. Once the mixture is prepared, it is poured into the hot tub for continuous stirring, which gives it the sugary lace that you enjoy as a sweet, salty snack. As you can see, the freshly made popcorns are now being added to the caramelized mixture to make them even more flavorful. Did you know that popcorn is one of the oldest snacks around, dating back over 5,000 years? Native Americans introduced it to the English colonists, and soon it became a blockbuster hit. Popcorn also has its starring moment at the movies, thanks to its low moisture content and explosive pop, making it the ultimate cinema snack. How do they make popcorn look like a rainbow? Well, they have a secret recipe that turns regular popcorn into a rainbow of colors. They mix in special colors from several fruits like berries and grapes, so it's all natural and super fun. No artificial stuff here, just good old nature making snack time more awesome. So they sat rainbow popcorn is not just pretty, it's yummy too. Each bite has a hint of fruity sweetness that makes your taste buds do a happy dance. Time to pack up? No, just pack it, dude! These mushroom-shaped, round, or ball-like whatever you want to call them, so these popcorns are all set for their pack-up. They're gonna do 100% justice. They are sending fixed amounts each time, so you don't need to shake the packs to choose the heavier one. Come on, we all did that. So, those all-in-one fill and seal machines form the packaging, fill it with popcorn, and seal it in a continuous process, well making it rather quick and non-stop snack time. Did you know that not all popcorn pops at the same temperature? Each kernel has its own pop point, causing that exciting, random popping symphony in your microwave. Nothing just clearing the point of how continuously those fresh popcorns keep coming every time. Now it's time to gather the right amount each time, which on the other hand also works by an automatic weighing system to keep the same ratio in every packet. They are now bringing premium packaging for brands. Popcorn is popcorn still. No need to look for brands, duh. Has any such bad experience ever happened to you? No offense, but I once found a whole bee-sized bug in my local hot dog. So it's better to just have a quality snack, and for that, you need to watch this video till the end, so you'll get to know how hygienically they work. Here comes their special packaging for your only caramel popcorn. Those plastic bottles are the best option to avoid the mess of, the grease of the sweetness on your hands while trying to get sweet popcorn from the packet. Also, that's pretty cute, and the bottles will lock the freshness inside. They precisely pour the portions of popcorn in these bottles all through an automated system. And yup, the bottles will be sealed with the easy-to-open lids in a really satisfied manner. All done, they will be labeled, and whatever knickknacks are left to make them more appealing. These machines ensure precise measurement of popcorn quantities for each bag, maintaining consistency in portion sizes. Okay, but for what? Make your easy-to-go popcorn bags, the microwave ones. Okay, this guy's gonna hand over the empty bags to the other, who is responsible for opening up the bag for easy pouring materials. Now check out how beautifully all these machines are working in harmony. The hopper is continuously filled with the materials while several machines are working together to fill the bags with salt, popcorn, and melted butter. That's not the end. If you want to spice up your parties, then Coke is a must. And the good thing is, we've already covered the video with the entire bulk production of Coke. So if you want to watch that too, we're right here.